let's take she as an example from breed she as the baby, and she developed his own personality and how she learned to say hello to human being.
Yeah. I suppose the language part of it is in the handling the bird initially around the clock, feeding the bird, and it listens to all of its environment, and we talk to the birds, and they're the first words that they normally say is hello, step up. Step up is a command we give the birds to step up whilst we're feeding them.
Which is step up. Good boy.
And it becomes natural to them, and so they're the first tentative words that the bird will say, and then the language will get bigger and the vocabulary will get wider and stronger depending on the new family it moves into. So yeah.
Yeah. So can Anne introduce more about the bird's personality?
Yeah, so this baby's about 12 weeks of age, and as Nick said, he will go to his home in the next few weeks. He's just on the one formula. You can see here that, you know, he's very much working with his beak, with everything. He's at that age, he's very inquisitive. He's a lovely bird. He wants to play a lot. And with that, he talks. He's starting to say hello. He's starting to say step up, which is really good for his age. They usually start to talk around 12 to 14 weeks. And yeah, his vocabulary will just get stronger and stronger. He's very obedient. He's fully flighted, so his wings aren't clipped. He's bathing himself. He likes the hairdryer on him. So when he does have a bath, I get the hairdryer out and he just sits there. And yeah, he's quite a character, as you can see. He's a good boy most of the time. And yeah, he loves this little snow pea that he's got at the moment.
Yeah. So, what kind of activity he really like to do?
He sits on his stand every day, and then we'll get him out and he'll run around the floor and he plays. They love to chew. Everything's about his beak at the moment. They use their beak to smell you as well. And take that piece. And
so his main activity, he loves to fly because he's found these new wings. So he knows exactly where he can fly, but he likes to be where you are. So if you're on the computer or if you're in the kitchen preparing food for the birds, he'll find his way to you and land on your shoulder. But he has to be with you and to be amongst everything else that's going on.
Yeah. So she do like to play with a human being?
Oh yeah, my word, yeah, because we're he knows us, we're the food provider, so he knows that we're a food source, so he loves to be with us. But as Anne said before, he's like a puppy dog. He's so inquisitive. He's got to be playing and doing something else all the time, and which is really good. It's good to stimulate and create interest and have the bird out as much as you can, because that's what this bird was. He's going to head off to do. He's going to be an interactive bird, and the family will get 100% enjoyment out of an interactive bird.
Now he's eating some pellets.
Yeah.
But he's got a favourite ball, a little plastic ball with a bell in it that he likes to play with.
Yeah.
And he just likes to chew everything at the moment.
Okay, so I take some close up with the bird. Yeah.
You want to take him in on like if the little baby's out of the container.
I was going to say if you can grab
Yeah, I will.
biscuit. grab a biscuit with you.
Careful with that.
Over that.
Step up.
Step up. Come on. Step up.
Good boy.
Too gross.
Just let him have that.
Here, go and grab a biscuit because you
Yeah.
want something.
I'll spread him a biscuit.
Okay.
Here. Turn around.
They're really quiet.
Turn around.
Yeah.
No, say hello. Say hello. You say hello. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Yeah. Say hello. Say hello. You think that's nice?
Yes, it's really a good interactive. People must love it.
Yes. Yeah. You just say hello. Say hello. Kiss. All right.
Yeah. What I've brought in here to show you, Veronica, is this is 2 more Echolactus babies.
Yeah. Oh. So I just adjust. Whoa. Did they jealous to each other?
Come here.
Here's one.
Yeah. So I got a close up from the
Yeah, what
small
we've got
baby.
here, Veronica, is 2 little babies.
Yeah.
Naturally, the males are the green, and the female is the beautiful, beautiful coloured bird on the right of me. And they're currently being hand raised. They're being fed every 4 hours,
Yeah.
just like you were, on a special formula. And then they're starting now to have a little bit of fruit and veg, which is really, really great.
Yeah.
Just to introduce that to them. So